Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an email ID without your phone number. So firstly, just simply open up your web browser and search for mail.com. So this is a portal based mail which you can use to create email address without your phone number. So just simply go inside the website. Now just simply click on sign up over here. Now just simply fill up all the details and make sure to enter a recovery option, either if you want SMS or an email, it's up to you. So just simply fill up all the details like your email address, personal details, date of birth, password and recovery. So after filling up all the details and check the I'm not a robot box over here, then just simply click on I agree and create an email account. Now give few seconds until your email ID gets created. So after that, just simply click on activate your account now. So as you can see, your email ID has been created. To go to inbox, just simply click go to inbox over here or click on email over here. Now you can just simply use this email like every other email address out there. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.